How you doing, folks? It's your old pals Demo and Zana here back on the Lucky Linda Claim. And we're going to start out the video doing a packing list, showing you what we bring down here to look for gold. Today we're going to be digging up the same thing. We're going to do some crevices work. We got the super sucker, so I'm going to dig out some of these crevices and then suck them out with that. And it should be a good day. Of course, my finger's still broken, but other than that, I think we'll do all right. What do you think, brother?
Oh yeah, the river's ours today.
Yes, it is. All right, folks. Well, we're about to show you some gold, so stay tuned.
Okay, well, today we're going to show you some of the items that we take down onto the river with us. You have to have a classifier, good pan, your sniping gear, crevicing tool of your type. There's several different styles. So whatever your imagination is, throw it around. Make sure you have a good pair of gloves, because the bedrock down there is sharp. Good pair of water boots, water shoes, whatever you want to use. Tanker's bar to bust loose the bedrock. A reliable bag of any kind, so you can load all this crap in. A good shovel, a little handheld shovel, or a military e-tool, whatever you want to use. Rock pick, rock hammer. Sandbags to take your ore backs for sampling later on. Snuffer bottle, and usually have two of them because you will lose one down the river.
Well, some of us do anyway.
A good about inch and a half paintbrush so you can clean the crevices out. This is a magnet I made out of PVC to get black sand away from your gold. Pistol is a must.
Oh, yes.
And then your sluice box.
And
buddy.
super sucker.
And your suction dredge so you can clean out the cracks and crevices in the river. Pry bar. This may sound a lot to carry down there, but it pays off. First aid kit, because some people break fingers.
And toes.
And toes. And then the most important one, beef jerky and water. The only thing I don't have out here right now to show you what you will need is bug spray, because the gnats right now are kind of...
I have some in my bag.
They're kind of a pain right now, so... But that's basically the stuff we carry down to the river with us to find the gold. Alright everybody, we're going to do a Yuba River update here. Someone found a baby nugget.
Baby nugget there. Right there.
Oh yeah.
It's a little chubster.
Yep.
He must go to McDonald's for lunch. Yeah, not bad.
Not bad at all. And he's still working the same crevice. Right there. And of course I'm playing in the mud and the yellow jackets right there.
I'm surprised you haven't hit an inch yet.
No, not yet. But I'm going to see a couple more pans down here, then I'm going to move probably right up there. Right about there. So, alright.
You gonna try it up above?
In a second. Once I test this pan out, then I'll see what's what. Sitting on the banks, bacon.
Bacon in the hot sun, and I ain't talking pork bacon either. That only drives me crazy with hunger.
What was your theory about the river here?
Well, I think that sometimes you gotta sing to the river. You gotta serenade it, you know?
Man.
Oh, you want to hear a little tune?
Yeah, let's hear a little tune.
Well, I was thinking something along the lines of You picked the fine time to leave me loose.
Nailed it.
How was that?
That was good. If anything, the bears will stay away.
So will other humans.
Alright, Zonner's doing a little crevice cleaning with the Gold Buddy or Super Sucker. Usually about four or five pumps in the gravel down there would be enough to fill the cup up and load the pan. And then you see what it
got the cup.
Yeah, that's what it sucks up right there. Put it in the pan, classify it.
Got some more stuff still stuck in here.
It's a good little invention, but it's a pain in the ass at times. So to see the crevice where he's working, right there.
I had to clean some of the bigger rocks out of here, so they're not in the way.
And for the people that haven't used one of these yet, you can go pretty deep with it, just about where his the lever is there. Just got to keep that part out of the water. Rock stuck in there.
Get out of there, you!
So yeah, we'll let him finish cleaning this crevice out here, and when he gets a good pan, I'll get my shadow out of it. When he gets a good pan, we'll come back and see what he got, if anything. Alright, Zonner has just finished loading his pan up and seeing what if anything, if he has from the Super Sucker.
Yeah. Doesn't look like we have any black sand at all. There might be some in there.
A little bit, not much though.
Yeah, we got to find better crevices.
Yeah. I don't see nothing. Do you have anything? Nada.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Well, it's worth a shot. We just got to find better crevices, that's all.
Yeah. I say you got to remember when we first started the season, the water was right about up to here. So as the water went down, as we were panning closer and closer to the river, we're kind of reworking our pannings.
Yeah, the older pannings.
Yeah. So we'll find a new crevice.
All right, folks. This is our big closeout for the day. We had a good day today on the river, like always. And this is the tale of the golden tape.
Starting off with Zonner's pan. Found some big chunky pieces.
Not bad for a day's work.
It's pretty good though.
Then we got Mr. Demo's pan.
Yeah, mostly flour, but
yeah, some nice flakes in there. I see them.
I just couldn't find the mother load today.
You see it without the... It's probably better.
Oh yeah. He has got a couple floaters in there too.
All right. Well, we're going to be back out here next weekend, working on the crevices, finishing them off really, and probably working some of this other stuff too. So, thank you again for all your support and watching and hopefully enjoying. So this is Zonner and Demo saying,
Don't let your meat. Whoa.
Thanks a lot, folks. Take care now.